Introducing the completely redesigned Haas TRT160. Now you can have 5-axis capability on your mill without sacrificing all of your available table space. While the previous design used up most of the table, Haas engineers borrowed from the high-speed TRT70 and TRT100 platform and built a new, compact 160mm dual-axis rotary table, the TRT160. Now you have room on the table for a vise, or more than one, so you can perform multiple operations on the machine without ever opening the doors. It also means your spindle is running more, so you can be more efficient and your operator is free to do other work while the machine makes parts. The TRT160 offers 360 degrees of platter rotation, along with plus or minus 120 degrees in the tilt axis. So you can machine almost any feature on your part, and accuracy won't be an issue, since the TRT160 offers accuracies of plus or minus 15 arc seconds on the platter and plus or minus 25 arc seconds on the tilt axis. The TRT160 gives you speed, accuracy, and efficiency, all in a compact footprint that will make your machine more productive than ever.